Hi friends, in this lockdown season, mostly people have only one problem, which is have online exam. But the online exam of mathematics is super difficult and mostly people looking for help in mathematics exam because they want good grade. Yes, and people asking hundreds and thousands of dollars instead of helping. And this is headache for some students. They don't want to pay, they don't have money, but people are not ready for help without money. Yes, but we have a simple solution for this to every student. Every student can get free help from the tool we are going to show you. Yes, completely free. It is reachable to every student and it save your time, your money, your and give you a success and will give you a good grades. Alright, so let's start video without wasting time. First of all, the first tool we are going to show you is a simhub.com. This is the first tool we are going to show you. And one more tool which is there are one more tool which is the most powerful tool and which can give you a step-by-step solution solution of answer. Okay, this is also giving step-by-step solution, but this is somehow at the higher level, at the university level problem. This is some limited, but a college student, for school student, this is absolutely good. Okay, so let's start working. In front of you, I will solve four problems. One is quadratic equation, one is integration, one is ODE's partial differential equation, and one is ordinary differential equation, one is partial differential equation, and one problem of trigonometry. Okay, you will see we will get a satisfactory results. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will solve a simple quadratic equation which is for school student. See, it's give me a suggestion. You want to try this, you want to try this, you want to try this, you want to try this. Which one? Here are the three simultaneous equation and absolutely free. We can solve them free of cost. You can see absolutely free these three simultaneous equation, and here is the results. I think mostly student problem is solved now, but let's try one quadratic equation. Okay, x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 9. Yes, we can solve it. Just take, see, within a seconds you can solve this. And here solved by quadratic formula, it shows, see, this is answer and this is graph and addition one. Okay, let's manipulate the equation. Now what will happen? You can solve by hand and check the results, but this is trusted and giving result. Even I manipulate, this give me answer. This is super simple. Alright, okay, let's cut down and try some derivatives. Derivative of cos of x. Cos of x. Let's try cos of x. So let's see. Everyone know the derivative of cos of x is minus sine theta. So what will it give us? Minus sine theta. This is super simple and quick. Yes. Okay, let's try the derivative of some simple, difficult, like natural log of x, ln of x, ln of x. Okay, ln of x. So let's see what will happen. everyone know 1 by x, so it gives us 1 by x. You can try any one, you will get a satisfactory result from it. Okay, derivative done. Now let's jump into the partial different integration, a definite integral. Here is the sign of indefinite integral. Here is the sign of definite integral. So I would like to try a definite integral. So definite integral, I want 0 to 1, and 0 to 90, let's say 0 to 90, most probably pi. Okay, let's try pi. Pi to sine of x, and here dx. Yes. Okay, go. Show us our problem. Here person, and this you people asking for help and paying money. Okay, this is super simple problem and its solution. Okay, you even get the summation problems also. Here is some summation problems and their answers. Super simple calculator, easy to use, and your problem within a second. Apply series geometric test. Even you can click here and practice the geometric series. Yes. Okay, let's move into here. Okay, so the most important is partial differential equation. Here is a sign of partial differential equation. You can see partial differential equation. Okay, here is for differential. I will choose this. You can choose of yours. You can put here your problem. How you can put here your problem? Just delete it and write your problem in here. Okay, and if you didn't understand and you want me to explain you how can you write your problem in this text bar, just comment down below. I will help you and to solve your problem. Okay, after using this calculator, even you think your problem can't solve, I will show you a next tool yesterday which can solve your most problems, and this is the next tool will targeting university student most. After using these two tools, you think you can't solve your problem, you can contact us. We will solve your problem. We will help you free of cost. And thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, take a good grades, use these calculators, and God bless you. Do like, subscribe, and share if you get any help, and stay tuned for our next video.